okay? This is our villa. Cha. Ah. Okay. Just arrived and it's already lunch break. Okay. It's the house. Ooh. Hmm. Oh, nice. Baby Cassie! DJ! Cassie, hello, and cousin Dada, Tita Yamin, and then Hannah, I guess. DJ! MJ! Okay. Room nila Tito Ibot, I guess. Hala, nag-crazy, ano? Yeah. Ay, look. The kitchen, I guess. Yeah, room nila Hannah and Cassie. Oh, girl. Warm. Hey, open. Okay, kitchen. It's in a room. Yeah. Tito Tata's room and Tita Yami. Okay. Wow. Say hi.
Nagaligo pa gani mo sa una.
Oh. This would be our room. Yeah. Farm? Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Nice. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Da. Adik. Cassie. Say hi. Mommy, honey.
Anya na wala po ko nagsudlay.
Ah, okay. Video man ni. I'm gonna send it to Laika. Yeah.